Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. At this moment, I am here in Baguio City, particularly the tourist spot of Mines View. This is Baguio City. This is the overview of Baguio City. This one, very nice view. This is Baguio City. This is the view of Baguio City. Very nice one. This is Baguio City. Very nice place. This one. This one. Very nice. Nice one. Ay, sorry. Meron nga tong particular to na particular na location to, tourist spot, Mines View. This is Mines View overlooking. This is Mines View overlooking in Baguio City. This is a very nice place. This is overview. Hi ate, I'm Alexi from Davao. I am a vlogger. Can I ask you a questions? Are you from here or from outside Baguio City?
Manila.
From Manila. Okay, you are? First name?
Ara.
I have met Miss Ara. She's beautiful. Nandito din siya sa Mines View. Ang daming tao. Hindi to si Ate Ara. Ate Ara, ayaw lang. This is Ate Ara. I'm from Davao City. Alexi Fernandez.
I'm from Tawi-Tawi.
From Tawi-Tawi.
Yes.
Mindanao yan.
Yeah.
That's Mindanao. Thank you. Nice meeting you, Ate Ara. Alexi Fernandez. Alexi Fernandez. E-L-E-X-I. Naka-red polo shirt ako. E-L-E-X-I. Fernandez. Thank you, Ara.
Ayaw na, talurupay pa.
Thank you, everyone. Very nice place. This is Mines Views in Baguio City. This one. This one. This is Baguio City. Daming tao. Lahat ng mga turista dito ay galing Manila. Nakakapagod gusto kong ipakilala sa inyo ang mutya ng Baguio City, si Sherna. Ate Sherna.
Hello guys.
She is formerly mutya ng Baguio City. Actually ang mga guests dito at saka turista from Makati, Manila, Visayas, Mindanao. Dito nyo matatagpuan.
Ay, ganda. Mabilis lang yan, sir.
Tatanggal po yung break.
No, okay lang ako.
Experience, ikaw nagpupumilit sa amin dito, hindi ka magbibihis. Ayan, dito po.
Okay. Thank you everyone. God bless.
Mamaya pag